Ang sinag mo'y tumatagos sa siwang ng mga dahon. Ang init mong atid nagbibigay sigla sa mga sanga at bungang nalalanta. Dumating na yung package from my designer and sponsor. Shout out pala kay Miss Lynn Art in Nature, all the way from North Carolina. She is my designer and sponsor for all my t-shirts, customized t-shirts of Gucci Vantes and Sinag Music, and that's what I'm going to show you this time. Let's open the box, see what's inside. Of course, it's a Sinag Music t-shirt, but I'm so excited for the design. Sinag Live, look at this. It's so nice. Sinag Live. And shout out sa mga nakasama kong tumugtog at umawit sa last mini concert produced by Abel Grande. And shout out sa Sinag Live Band. Claim nyo na. Okay, Sinag Music. And well, thank you so much everyone. And if you would like to order a personalized t-shirt, please contact Miss Lynn Art in Design, Miss Lynn Art in Nature. Check her YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And I love this t-shirt. Thank you. Ang sinag mo'y tumatagos sa siwang ng mga dahon. Ang init mong atid nagbibigay sigla sa mga sanga at bungang nalalanta.